Alright guys, well today here at XenonZcar we're going to go ahead and get the motor mount that I made installed onto the 85-300ZX here that I'm building with the VG33. Now we run into a little problem with the S-pipe where using the air conditioner the belt sort of gets in the way of the air intake. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you that here in just a second. Here you can see the S-pipe that I went ahead and modified to fit with the T3, T4. Unfortunately, the belt drive for the air conditioner is right in the way. So we're going to go ahead and do away with this stock motor mount down here and use one of my pass-through motor mounts that I make here at XenonZcar. Alright, so here's the pass-through motor mounts that I made yesterday. They're made out of some Schedule 40 pipe, 2x3 or 1x3 piece of rectangle stock. Got some 3/16 plate, and then a 2x4 that I have cut down to fit the pipe in. Went ahead and made a couple different varieties. This one over here I designed for the VG33. This will actually clear the oil filter housing on the VG33. I'll go ahead and put a picture here, probably right up in the upper right hand corner here. Alright, so here's where we're at this point. We went ahead and we got the motor mount installed. Had to do with some modifications to it, as fortunately my jig isn't just right yet, so I had to make it a little bit shorter to get it to fit right, and the angle's a little bit off, so I'll be modifying my jig to get it to work right. Anyway, as you can see, at this point we have a nice clear shot. I can't really get down in there with the phone, but nice clear shot right to the turbo. We also went ahead and got the top charge pipe all done with all the fittings. So it's just a matter of assembly, and I should be able to get her fired up tomorrow. That's the plan. Alright guys, well here we are. It's about 7 o'clock tonight, but got everything plumbed up to the mass airflow sensor. See how it goes here. It goes down under. We pass through. Got the other pipes all buttoned up in here. The only thing I like to put in is the top charge pipe, and that's pretty easy to do. So should have her running sometime tomorrow, I hope. Other than that, I just got to put a 90 here off the mass airflow sensor. Gonna come up right through here like the stock unit. My cooling fan stuff, I gotta get wired up. But yeah, it's gonna come up 90 through here, and then gonna have the regular air box, or I believe he has a K&N filter he wants to use for this, so we'll go that route as well. I'm probably going to go ahead and make an aluminum piece that covers up the fans here. Just a little piece that comes about here. That way the air filter doesn't get full on blown through the fan. So, but that's where we are ending for today here at XenonZcar. Hope you're enjoying seeing how this thing gets put all together, and hopefully first start tomorrow. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like to, please comment down below. Definitely subscribe, because we'll be doing a bunch of these how-tos and just the general what's going on around the shop here. A lot of Z cars are going to be in and out of here, and we're going to be doing that VG33 build here in a little bit for Devin Fink. So again, comment, like, go ahead and check out the website, and check out my Instagram and everything. Thanks a lot. Don't forget, April 21st, we're doing our first movie night here at XenonZcar. Information's on the Facebook group under the events. Also, May 6th is the spring XenonZcar meet. We're going to have a show and shine competition for all the Z-Car guys. We're going to have, as far as trophies go, we're going to have, of course, the People's Choice First Place Award, and we might have a couple other special things I might throw together as far as trophies go. So hopefully y'all can make out to some of these events that we're going to do this summer. And again, thanks for watching. Looks like it's going. 16.3. Wow. Left on that one.